How to find SWIFT code of Scotia Bank. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. So to find the SWIFT code of your Scotia Bank, there are multiple ways. So the first way is on your checkbook right at the bottom, you're going to find your SWIFT code. It is indicated as your SWIFT code, so you can simply find it from your checkbook. However, if you don't have a checkbook, then you can check it online as well. For that, you need to open up or log in into your online banking. After this, you'll be taken to the home page, and once you're on your home page, you have to click on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings page, you can click on the profile icon and then you'll be taken to account info and you can find all of your details here. So to see your SWIFT code, you can simply click on the deposit check or void check info button. So here you can tap on view, and once you tap on the view button in the corner, you will be able to find your SWIFT code of Scotia Bank. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.